plastic are a little thicker. And it's much more forgiving when you're pounding that meat in that bag. Go ahead and pound away. There you go. Now when you pound, go from the center and sort of push out as you pound. Yeah, just like that. The other reason I like these bags though is that thicker plastic keeps you from tearing it. So when we dip things into the egg wash, we pick whatever hand we're going to do it with. For me, I'm right-handed, so I use my left hand to dip in the egg wash. And the reason is, if you take your both hands, you get that egg on there and you continually go from the flour to the breadcrumbs, but the next thing you know, most of it's on your hands all balled up. And usually it'll get all bally and mealy, and I dip it in the flour. Usually I pat it off so there's not a lot left on there. I dip it in my egg wash. And then, boom, into the breadcrumbs. On this one, I'll just shake it around a little bit so it gets added in. Get the breadcrumbs pushed into the meat, and I'll how it's not all lumpy and stuff. It's actually nice and clean, and that's why you do that. So we'll just set this one right down next to that. In the meantime, while you're doing this one, I am going to get this pan a little more. Perfect. Whenever you're doing stuff with breading, obviously that breading's going to soak some of it up. So if you put just a little bit in, by the time you're going to flip it, there's not going to be any oil left in there. So what we're going to do is let that get nice and hot. We want that oil to get hot as well. And actually, I think we're going to put just a little more in. I'll lay about right. Not only cook the bottom of the schnitzel, but maybe come up halfway on the edge. So then when you cook, you're definitely cooking, you're cooking half, and then when you flip it, you're cooking the other half. Avocado, I don't know avocado oil because avocado oils typically I don't cook with. Go ahead and flip them. They're ready to flip. You can see that. Oh, look how lovely that is. Now, quite honestly, that's hot enough and that'll be done. We're just going to turn that off because there's enough heat in there, it'll finish up.